All right, so we got our 4 posts, right? You got this one, and we got this one. So if we look, this one's very aligned. I'm just looking at the space from here and here. If you pay attention, from here into here is no really that much difference, but this one's a little bit off in the back. So I'm gonna move this one because this is the one that had the branch. So luckily, this is only a couple days old. So I'm gonna dig that all the way back out and redo it. This is what we want. Yes. Yes. And I can reuse this. So we're gonna move it over here. New hole, right? That easy. The concern, and then the other concern was this, which is not my concern because it's electrical, so it should have been addressed. Then we have 1-inch deck boards that add to this, and the other concern was the door interfering with the porch, which will not. So that's it. Concern after concern fixed.